Hello traders! Today, we're diving into one of the hottest topics in online trading, the best gold trading Forex brokers in India. Whether you're exploring xauusd for the first time or already an active trader searching for tighter spreads and faster execution, this video covers 5 top brokers. We'll also start with essential guidelines for Indian traders, so stay tuned. In this section, let's clarify what Indian traders must know before choosing an international broker for gold trading. In India, legal Forex trading is limited to INR-based pairs on regulated exchanges. Gold trading xauusd is done through international brokers regulated abroad. Choose brokers with strong oversight like ASIC, SISEC, or FCA for better safety. Avoid unregulated or offshore-only platforms. Stick to globally recognized brokers with proper licenses and transparent trading conditions. Gold is fast-moving and highly reactive to news. Use stop losses, avoid high leverage, and always trade with a clear plan. With these basics in mind, you're better prepared for safer gold trading. Now let's explore the top brokers. Here is top 5 gold trading Forex brokers in India in 2026. FP Markets, Eightcap, Tickmill, IC Markets, FxPro. Check the link below on description to open an account with best gold trading Forex brokers in India in 2026. These are our top 5 gold brokers, offering tight xauusd spreads, fast execution, and powerful platforms built for serious traders. First is FP Markets. FP Markets delivers an institutional-style environment with ultra-tight xauusd spreads, often around 0.1 pips on raw accounts. Its ECN-style execution is lightning fast, ideal for news trading or volatility spikes. Indian traders can use MT4, MT5, or the IRES platform for deeper data. With strong regulation, good support, and low commissions, FP Markets is a reliable choice for serious gold traders. Next is Eightcap. Eightcap stands out for automation lovers. It integrates with TradingView, Capitalize.ai, and algo-friendly tools, giving traders more flexibility. Gold spreads are low, execution is fast, and stability during high-impact news makes it perfect for scalpers, EA users, and systematic traders. Third is Tickmill. Tickmill is famous for ultra-low spreads and minimal commissions, ideal for gold scalpers and day traders. Fast execution and low slippage help during volatile moves. Tickmill also offers strong educational content for learning gold price action and risk management. Fourth is IC Markets. IC Markets is one of the world's most popular ECN brokers. It offers some of the tightest xauusd raw spreads, sometimes close to zero, backed by deep liquidity. Its trading servers support high-frequency, scalping, and EA strategies with exceptional stability, even during market turbulence. Finally, FxPro. FxPro offers gold trading across MT4, MT5, and C-Trader, giving traders flexibility. It features tight spreads, fast execution, and top-tier regulatory protection. With a wide range of instruments, easy onboarding, and strong support, FxPro suits both beginners and advanced traders. These are the top gold trading Forex brokers in India. Choose the broker that best fits your gold trading style. For opening an account with the mentioned brokers on the video, please visit www.topfxbrokersreview.com. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and comment which broker you prefer for gold trading. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!